Hi everyone, welcome to this week's Grab and Go activity video. This week we have dice games. So in your Grab and Go activity bag you will find 2 dice and this instruction sheet which has 3 different dice games on it. One is called 50, Pig, and Beetle. So Miss Allie and I are going to demonstrate the game of 50. And all you need for 50, you need at least two players, but more can play. You need at least 2 dice and paper and a pencil for keeping score. And the object of the game is to be the first player to score 50 points. And the only thing that scores points in 50 are doubles. And these are double 2s, if you're not sure what doubles are. The same number on each dice. And there is a special scoring system to 50. If you roll double 1s, double 2s, double 4s, or double 5s, you earn 5 points. If you roll double 6s, you get 25 points. If you roll double 3s, you lose all of your points. So there are 2 ways you can play. Then it depends on how many dice you have, basically, and how quickly you want the game to go. So the first way that you can play is with 1 set of dice, and the players will take turns. Another way to play is where everybody has their own set of dice, and they're all rolling at the same time, and it's a much faster-paced faster-paced game. And Miss Allie and I have decided that we will, once one of us rolls doubles, we will put the dice down and keep track of our score on paper, just so that you can see how we are playing the game and not cheating by keeping track in our heads. Are you ready?
Yep, I'm ready to go.
We're warming up? Okay. All right, so remember, the object is to get to be the first person to score 50.
Okay.
All right, here we go. Go.
You're gonna beat me again.
You only need, if you get 2 rolls of double 6s, you win. But you don't want to get double 3s. I have 15.
Oh, I got 25. Okay, 25, 30, 35, 40. I need 10 more. Double 3s!
Ah! I've got 20 points.
I was on track to beat you.
At 25,
I'm at 10.
30.
15.
Oh, double 3s!
Ah, I have a chance. Oh, I thought I had double 6s. Nope. No dice.
Oh, double 6.
Come on. I'm
back up to 30.
Oh, I'm struggling. Come on, doubles. Double 3s. Are you kidding me? I wanted doubles. I didn't want that kind of doubles. I got double 6s.
I'm up to 40. $45.
15, 25. I think I'm at 45 too. I can't do math that quickly. Come on. Come on.
Oh, I win!
Oh! All right. Good job.
I was the winner of 50.
I lost again.
Good game, Miss Allie.
Good sports. Great job on winning.
Thank you for playing and watching our video this week. And we hope to see you again next week. Bye.
Have fun.